have some patterns for you. So grab a comfy seat and a cup of tea. Let's take a look at what I have for thee. Hey crocheters, welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle with Yarnfurbarins. Today I am bringing you some patterns that are supposed to bring you joy and cheer and happiness. If you're looking for a little bit of joy and creativity, I have a collection of patterns that I found. They just made me laugh. They sparked a little chuckle in my mind, and I thought you would like them. Some of them you might find silly, cute, wacky, or just unexpected. Anyway, I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. This llama is such a little hipster. Look how cute. This is by Wacky on Etsy. So sweet, those little glasses and that cute little scarf. Just love this little llama. So sweet. Makes me smile. Do you know the difference between a llama and an alpaca? Who doesn't want their cat looking like George Washington? When was the last time you styled your hair like George Washington? The popcorn. And it's already popped just for you. I think this is so cute. You could totally pull a prank on someone. Like sit down in the theater or in your living room like ready for some movie time. And you turn and you're like, hey, I made you some popcorn. And just to see the look on their face. We have a positive poo. Because sometimes when you're feeling blue, you might need to poo. Don't forget that. There are these cute little kitty cat cacti. Aren't they not so fun? Those cute little pink flowers and the little green noses. What a funny idea. You can make them plushies. Fuzz Forms by Fuzz Forms. Cactus cat crochet pattern. Oh, it's a bundle. There's lots of them. And they're adorable. Oh, these little finger puppets are so fun. You could really go to town with these. You could make a bunch of different ones. Check those out. This beanie looks so easy. And all you have to do is put a little chicken head and a chicken tail on it. And you're a chicken head. UFO flying saucer with a cow. Oh, that's just silly. It's a flying cow. A fidget cube to keep you busy in case crochet doesn't keep you busy enough. Or maybe you know somebody who needs to keep their hands occupied, but they don't really crochet or knit. It looks like actually a really good one, and you could probably make it out of cotton. Would be really nice. This Cleopatra princess looks just like her. It is so good. Look at that. Even her little blue medallion thingy and her little headdress. It's just impressive. It's just impressive. I'm just in awe. Oh, the hippie gnome doll. C.S. Miriam has tons of gnome patterns. Check out her store. This is pretty cute, psychedelic, and that funny hat with the eyeballs on it. A dumpster fire, because who doesn't want to laugh at a dumpster fire? What can I even say? This weird Medusa. And if you don't want to make the Amiguruimi style doll and you're more into like a tapestry, there's a Medusa tapestry too. It's just funky. My hair's looking like Medusa today. Does my hair look like Medusa? Does my hair look Medusa today? Anyway, that's all I got so far. So thanks for joining me. I hope you found something that you might want to make. on a rainy day or any day, because every day is a great day to crochet. And remember that every stitch is a stitch towards something amazing. Thanks for hanging out. If you haven't subscribed, please do so I can bring you more videos. And check out my tutorials. I've got some patterns in my Etsy shop right now, Yarnfurbarins, and everything is 50% off for springtime sales. Happy stitching! I finally finished my cardigan.